Alright y'all, we down here fishing the Barren River. Today we'll be using shiners and yeah. I got Ivan with me and old Russ. So I'm sure they'll produce something if I don't. But live bait, you know, you always catch stuff using live bait, so that's what we got. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. There goes a little smallmouth. Alright y'all, so what I'm using for bait here is a little shiner. Alright, I know you can't see them, but there's a bunch of them swimming around right here in front of me. You can catch these out of this body of water. You can get your minnow trap, throw it out there, catch all the bait you want. And what I'm throwing at is this little eddy right here. Well, it's not an eddy, but it's the smooth, slick water right here. Not the fast white stuff here, but the slick water right there. And I'm just letting it float out, and eventually that fish finds it. A little bit of Kentucky bass. There's a little better one. Smaller. Best one of the day so far.
Let's go back to that little place.
Well, there went a little, I think it might have been a Kentucky bass. Ooh, that's a good fish. It's much better than all the fish I've had on today. Might be a cat. I think it is a cat, the way he's stomping that head. Whatever it is, good though. Feels good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on up here, let me see what you are. Big channel. That's a huge channel. That might be the biggest channel. No, it ain't the biggest channel I've ever caught, but. Alright y'all, wasn't down here fishing for him. Wasn't down here after him, but we'll take him. Glad to have you. Little channel cat. Gonna let him go.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. The lodge by the water's still my favorite place, and I could come every year and it wouldn't.
Let's have a little smallmouth. another little smallmouth. All the fish I'm catching right here is really little for some reason. Big boys. Little smallmouth. Little largemouth. All right, y'all. There you have it. Down here fishing the Barren River. Pretty good day. A bunch of smallmouth. Nothing major. Although that channel cat, it was pretty fun, but you know, it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, hey, don't forget to subscribe, guys.